Emergency roof repair in Logan becomes a priority very quickly once homeowners notice active leaks, storm damage, missing shingles, or signs of water entering the home. In many cases, smaller roofing problems may not seem urgent at first, but northern Utah weather can cause damage to spread faster than many homeowners expect. Heavy snow, freezing temperatures, wind exposure, and seasonal storms all play a role in roofing wear throughout Logan and nearby Cache Valley communities. A roof leak that appears minor during dry weather can quickly become a larger structural issue once moisture begins reaching insulation, attic spaces, or interior drywall. That's why many homeowners searching for emergency roof repair in Logan are looking for more than just fast service. Most want clear information about how serious the damage may be, realistic repair options, and what steps should be taken to protect the home before additional damage develops. Now, some homeowners first notice roofing problems after seeing water stains on ceilings or walls. Others may find damaged shingles after storms or notice leaks beginning around vents, flashing, skylights, or roof valleys during rain or snow melt. The one thing many homeowners appreciate during emergency roofing situations is straightforward communication. Roofing repairs can already feel stressful enough without unclear pricing or uncertainty about what repairs may actually be needed. That's one reason why local homeowners begin by requesting an emergency roof repair estimate before deciding how quickly repairs should move forward. Some situations only require targeted repairs, while others may reveal larger roofing issues that have developed gradually over time. Homes throughout Logan, North Logan, Hyde Park, River Heights, Providence, Nibley, and surrounding areas can all experience different roofing challenges depending on roof design, age, weather exposure, and roofing materials already installed. Now, whether dealing with active roof leaks, missing shingles, storm damage, or emergency roofing concerns after severe weather, having access to local roofing information and realistic repair estimates can help homeowners feel more prepared when unexpected roofing problems appear. We are here to help with any roofing questions you may have. Call us now, 435-999-5004.